Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my introduction. If you are a student, professional, or just someone of curious about how to think or think today's digital world, this is a vlog for you. Today, we're jumping into these powerful topics that shape how we work, connect, and grow. First, customer relationship. Management, how business stay close to customers. Second, networking, not just Wi-Fi but human connections but often doors. 3. And social professional issues like ethics, data, privacy, and responsibility in the tech-driven age. These aren't just business buzzwords, they are impact of your career, your reputation, and even your everyday building and brand growing. Do you link or wondering about ethical teach? Keep watching. Let's break them down one by one, starting with CRM. What is how it works and why it matters more than ever.